The evil day is a day of darkness. It's a day of refining in the furnace of affliction, to show or to prove the degree of strength one possesses. Proverbs chapter 24 verse 10, he said, if thou faint in the day of adversity, thy strength is small. So you see the plan for the evil day, to check the degree of your strength. Spiritual energy, the propensity you can carry for spiritual release. That is what the evil day is coming to do for you. It's coming to check. The evil day is called the day of adversity, darkness, or fear. Coronavirus is just an introduction, a test for the evil day. Isaiah 60 verse 2. For behold, the darkness shall cover the earth, and gross darkness shall cover the people. These are the days we are supposed to soar, irrespective of the darkness. If you read that was where he says, arise and shine, for the light is come. PTBOG.
Arise and shine.
I can't hear you. PTBOG.
Arise and shine.
I can't hear you. PTBOG.
Arise and shine.
These are the days you're supposed to arise and shine. These are the days you're supposed to soar like Jacob. These are the days you're supposed to soar like Joseph. These are the days you're supposed to soar like Israel, Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. These are the days that we're supposed to soar. I had my own fair share of the evil day. And the question I asked while I was coming out of it, beholding the light. You know, the scripture says, his anger endured but for a moment. Weeping may endure for
It's nice.
joy comes in the
Morning.
While I was coming into my morning, after my darkness, the evil day, I saw the evil day for close to 10 years. Some people can see this for just 5 minutes. Because I said 10 years, you are shattered. That was because I was too slow to learn. That was because I refused to catch instruction from my father. Hello?
Hi.
Do you understand? So it lasted for long. Some people's evil day can be 15 minutes. Some can be 2 days. Some can be 1 year, 3 years. It is dependent on your ability to connect with koinonia, connect with fellowship. Your ability to connect with fellowship dispels the evil day. That's why I sang Amazing Grace. How sweet the sound. It is the sweetest sound of grace. I'm lost in love and in his power. His grace has taught me how to love. And his love dispels all fears.